How to turn off passcode on your iPhone. Now, this iPhone has a passcode, and if you don't have the Face ID, it can be pretty annoying to use. But how do I turn it off permanently? For that, I want to go to Settings. Now, in Settings, I want to scroll down till I see Face ID and passcode. Click on that. Put in your passcode. And once I put in my passcode, you can see I have multiple options that are turned off. If I want to use Face ID, all those options are turned off for now. But if I scroll down, you can see there is an option for turn off passcode. If I click on that, I can select turn off, and then I will have to put in my Apple account password. Once I do that, my phone will no longer have a passcode. It is that easy, but I suggest that you actually use a passcode because it is just an additional security on your phone. It can be very easy as 6 zeros, but I recommend that you don't do that so that your phone is secure even if it is stolen. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.